And Cricket West Indies President Dr. Kishore Shallow is holding firm, insisting he will serve out his term until 2027, even as he steps into his new role as Minister of Tourism and Maritime Affairs in St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Dr. Kishore Shallow addressed growing calls for him to resign following his recent election to Parliament, but made it clear he will simply not seek re-election when his current CWI three-year term ends in 2027.
I know that some of you may be concerned about my recent appointment to Cabinet and what it may mean for my continued service as President of Cricket West Indies. Let me be upfront and transparent with you, as I've always been. Admittedly, I have thought long and hard about this. My conviction is that the work ahead requires steady leadership and a commitment to completing the reforms already set in motion. It is for this reason that I will conclude my current term, but with the intention not to seek re-election.
Shallow acknowledged that while it's unprecedented in the Caribbean for a CWI president to also serve as a member of parliament, similar dual roles have been common in other parts of the world.
It is true that my appointment as a minister, while simultaneously serving as president of Cricket West Indies, may seem slightly uncommon in our region, even though it has happened in other sports before. However, it is not unusual within the global cricket community, where several of my colleagues at the International Cricket Council currently serve or have served as ministers or members of parliament.
Dr. Shallow was confident that he would be able to serve in both roles successfully.
We have therefore conducted comprehensive due diligence to ensure all legal and ethical standards are fully met. While there is no conflict of interest, the legitimate question is whether I can effectively manage both portfolios. Having consulted widely with our board and leadership, I can assure you that I can.
He is currently in his second term as CWI president, having been re-elected unopposed in April of this year. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.